how to add NGL link on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back. In this quick video, I will show you how you can add NGL link on your Instagram. So let's get started. First, what you need to do is you're going to open up your Instagram application, and of course you will get right here. So we can add these NGL links on our Instagram account that allow us, our friends and followers, to actually send us an anonymous message. So for that, you will have to go to your App Store or your Google Play Store, and you have to search for NGL. NGL, Anonymous Question and Answers. This is the application here. So you have to click on Get and install it. Once it's installed, this is what it will look like. Get anonymous messages on Instagram. Now you're going to select Get Started. So here you have to enter your Instagram handle. So I will just get my Instagram handle. Okay, so we need to add. Okay, so this is our Instagram handle, right? Click on done, and now you got your link. So you can see we have different types. We have confessions, and then we have send me anonymous message. Copy the link. We'll copy this link, okay. Or we can just click on share and log into our account and it will directly take us. But we're gonna copy the link from here. And now we can go and we can create a new story. So in your story, you're gonna take a picture like this. Go to the text, or what you can do is you can actually go to your sticker, and I'm gonna go to the question section and paste the link here. There you go. Click on done. So this is our NGL link that we can add to our story, but we can also add directly. So you just click on share and click on next step. Okay, so we can actually need to go to the links option. I'm sorry about that. So there was a link option. I totally forgot about that. Okay, so we're gonna go to the links and paste the link here. Perfect. Okay, now we have the link, and now I can actually change the color a little bit. We can place it right here. And now maybe I can add and change the background a little bit. Or maybe like this. So you can see the NGL link will be added right here. This is how you add NGL link to your Instagram. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.